Well, what do we need? We need utility, don't we? Well, when we need utility, we need to go for the usage of these things, how these things are connected, how these things are interconnected, what happens. So parts of speech as a part of an exam, any kind of exam. We are speaking about GATE exam, we are speaking about TOEFL, IELTS, GRE, GMAT to some extent. They have VQAR. So what does VQAR stands for? Verbal, quantitative, analytical, reasoning. So actually the word reasoning means everything to some extent. Non-technical, that's what we say, but for English people it is technical. So how do they actually use this? If you look at GATE exam, this is uh, an exam which is written by engineering graduates for higher studies. So if they want to do ME, they need to take this exam. They have a scope. So if you look at GATE exam, 15% of the GATE is VQA. 85% is their technical choice. IELTS is different. It is completely English. TOEFL is English. A test for English is a foreign language for students is given to students who want to do their higher education abroad, either their UG or your PG, PhD. It is also a job matter, like maybe you finish your UG here, and if you're going to European nation or America for your job, there also this matters where you need to take these exams. So these exams have all these stuff. So reading comprehension is one part of this exam where we need to write these exams. So we are trying to give you a very small portion of what is a verb, noun, this, that. I think you will know this better than me. Maybe not in a comprehensive way. That is all. A little bit different. So I don't want to go much into that. Maybe to put it in a simple way, the way I teach these things is, I normally say a verb means action. That's all. Noun means name. Adjective means I simply add one more word, something more about a noun. Adverb means something more about a verb. Pronoun means something which indicates a noun. That's the way I used him, he. We go in that form. Conjunction, conjunction, connection. So two sentences are connected by words. Conjunction. Okay, what is preposition? Preposition. That is all. Positioning of the word. Interjunction. Literally not English. Can be English also. You know, I was watching this movie, Passion of Christ, where I could hear these words, ma, pa. You know, in Tamil, we say amma, pa, mother, father. You can see the similar words are used in different languages. I can hear my friends saying "Bapa," "Pal," "Apa," "Wapa." That's all. A little bit of dialect, a little bit of kind of, not exactly, but a little bit of slang and dialects. They makes the difference. So interjection is a kind like that. It is not directly there, but it is there. So these parts, if you go to a government exam, especially GATE, I'm pitching more for GATE nowadays because these scores are actually taken everywhere. If you go to ISRO, it's taken. If we go to NASA, also it is taken because it's a higher education. Not necessarily, but it proves your standard that you have written an exam, a competitor in a competitive exam in English, or in your technical aspects, where lakhs of students write it, maybe crores, I don't know, and still you have managed to pass it with whatever grades you have. So, of course, I'm speaking about parts of speech, but you should know about the importance of these exams also. Otherwise, you can't really motivate yourself to get somewhere. So, writing skills or including essays, grammatical level, and so many other aspects also. These form an important way for the exam. So, don't think directly they will ask parts of speech. It can be indirect, it can be suggestive, it can be usage, it can be applied. Like applied linguistics, they can ask it. So, what am I doing right now? That is the answer for verb. We'll play like this in the next clip. Okay, thank you.